The Mid-Barataria Sediment Diversion Project makes its way to Baton Rouge, where Lieutenant Governor Billy Nungesser confronted the Coastal Protection Restoration Authority. It was also the first time the group met with key seafood industry stakeholders, and Olivia Vidal has more.
It was another heated meeting between the Coastal Protection Restoration Authority and the stakeholders who are against the project. But their message remains the same. They'd like to see more research and an alternative to sediment diversion.
Why you lied from day one if it's so good?
Those whose livelihoods depend on Louisiana's seafood industry are meeting once again with the CPRA, expressing strong opposition against the Barataria Sediment Diversion Project, which would help create land by delivering more sediment from the Mississippi River through a man-made channel in a levee in Plaquemines Parish.
I do believe that there are better and better ways to handle our coastal erosion and rebuilding our wetlands.
Chair of the Louisiana Seafood Promotion and Marketing Board, Shalyn DeLawn, says the CPRA's diversion project to address land loss might not be the best solution.
I think that the approach that CPRA has taken is one that they feel works best for them for whatever reasons that may be. Maybe it's the easiest, and sometimes the easiest thing to do isn't the right thing to do.
Lieutenant Governor Billy Nungesser, also in opposition of the project, saying more research needs to be done, especially when it comes to the mitigation measures concerning impacts to wildlife.
We're not building a Walmart or a Home Depot. We're destroying the estuary that all life begins in the Gulf. And you've got to do the full environmental impact for a Walmart and a Home Depot, as you heard Chip say, but you don't want to do it when you know it's going to kill dolphins. Oh, but we're going to give $20 million to mitigate. When the dolphin's dead, you can't mitigate them.
Chip Klein, chair of the CPRA, says $305 million is set aside for mitigation measures. He says the science through the Environmental Impact Survey is driving the decision making. And if the project isn't implemented, he says Louisiana will continue to suffer from land loss.
Every single federal study that has been done on coastal restoration in the state of Louisiana, throughout the Gulf Coast and other areas across the country calls for reconnecting rivers to coastal marshes. The Mississippi River literally built the land we stand on today. And so this project is about mimicking the natural process that created the land to begin with.
Nungesser disagrees. He worries it'll do more harm than good.
God help us if we waste this BP money. We won't get this other chance. The two parishes where they're going to build these diversions are against it. Why are we ramming it down their throat?
The public commenting period has been extended until June 3rd. For now, reporting in Baton Rouge, I'm Olivia Vidal, Fox 8 Local First.